Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to go over how to change out an entry door handle. Go ahead and open up the door. We've got 6 screws we need to worry about here. We got 4 here and 2 right here. Grab your screw gun. You're going to want to be careful to keep track of these screws because they are kind of a special screws. So you're going to need those. The new one should come with screws. Then you'll need to take the screws out of the striker. Set those aside. And then you pull the handle right out of the front like that. Now I want to show you something here. There's this code right here, a G359. That's going to be the identification, tell you what kind of key you're going to need. Now if you need an extra key for your door lock, or maybe you've lost yours, you can always pull the inside of that handle off and find that key code, and then you can order a key. You can see on this handle here, they've also put a code on here so you don't actually have to pull the handle apart on this one to find it. Okay, so we have our new door lock here. We're going to just reverse the procedure. You put the door lock in from the outside, line it up with your striker plate. Then you're going to grab the screws for the striker plate and go ahead and start putting them in. Now I don't like to tighten the screws all the way down when I put them in here, just in case we need to move it around to get the other screws started. So we're just going to basically start them. Okay? Now here's the tricky part. If I can have you kind of look right here, this deadbolt shaft is shaped like a letter D. So on the handle here, we got to find that spot and then align that so when we put it on, it matches up. Okay. Once we have all of our screws started, we can go ahead and tighten them up. And then you'll just want to make sure that your deadbolt operates and that your striker plate operates.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.